A lot of people might not be clear on what exactly happens step by step at the supplier's end after you place an order for a mold or injection molding online. I'm Blanca, and today I'll walk you through the entire process from the supplier's perspective. On day one, after the order is placed, the mold designer gets the final 3D design from the client and starts carefully studying and checking the product. This stage is all about analyzing the product's function and assembly requirements, while also checking for any potential issues during demolding, and whether the wall thickness is too thick or too thin anywhere. These findings are summarized by the project lead and communicated to the client for initial discussion. Afterwards, we put together a simple DFM report and send it to the client for confirmation. This report includes things like the gate location, parting line, and ejector pin positions and sizes. The client got back to us super fast. They confirmed the DFM report on the afternoon of the second day. Once we received the confirmation, the mold designer immediately started on the mold design, planning to finish the drawings within a day. On day 3, the project team got together for a meeting to review the mold design from the previous day. The team usually includes the mold designer, the mold department head, the injection molding department head, and the CNC programmer. After about 3 hours of discussion, the final version of the mold design and the machining process sheet were locked in. Right after the meeting, the CNC programmer started writing the machining programs. Within 2 to 3 hours, the mold started being machined on the CNC equipment. At the same time, work on other mold components also kicked off, like EDN and wire cutting. After about 15 days, so around day 18, all the parts for the mold were finished. On day 19, the mold fitter started assembling the mold. It took about 2 days, and by day 20, the assembly was finally done. On day 21, the mold moved to the polishing stage. Polishing takes time, so we just let it take its time. After 2 days of effort, on day 22, the polishing was finally complete. Let's take a look at the result. See how it shines like a mirror? On day 23, we started internal trial shots with the mold. After the designer confirmed the samples were good on site, the project lead sent them to the client for approval. If necessary, we'd mail the physical samples. 3 days later, on day 26, we received the client's feedback for mold modifications. The technical and mold departments had another meeting to discuss the revision details. Once the modification plan was set, the mold department started working on the mold changes. After 5 days of work, on day 31, the T1 trial was completed. This time, the client came to our facility for the final inspection, gave the approval, and the whole project was successfully wrapped up. The entire cycle took 31 days.